Which command is used to send the contents of file named report.txt to the standard printing device? A. Type report.txt to printer. B. Type report.txt prn. C. Type report.txt prn. D. Type report.txt printer. The correct answer is type report.txt prn. A system has two IDE hard drives that are each divided into primary and extended partitions. Which drive letter is assigned to the primary partition of the second drive? A. C. B. D. C. E. D. F. The correct answer is D. HIMEM.SYS controls. A. DOS high. B. drive.sys. C. smartdev.sys. D. Extended memory. The correct answer is extended memory. Where would you load the mouse driver? mouse.sys. A. Config.sys. B. Autoexec.bat. C. win.ini. D. io.sys. The correct answer is Config.sys. Filename extensions help identify certain files. What filename extension identifies command files? A. CUM. B. BAT. C. X. D. SYS. The correct answer is CUM. While working with MS-DOS, which command is used to specify the size of the disk to format? A. Format F size. B. Format N sector. C. Format T tracks. D. Format V. The correct answer is format F size. What command is used to reset a modem when using the AT command set? A. ATR. B. ATZ. C. DTR. D. DCE. The correct answer is ATZ. While working with MS-DOS, which command is used to force DOS to recheck all clusters when reformatting a disk? A. Format B. B. Format S. C. Format 8. D. Format C. The correct answer is Format C. The switch instructs DOS to display the directory list in a wide format. A. W. B. O. C. P. D. B. The correct answer is W. Which of the following applies to internal DOS commands? A. Internal commands can be run whenever the DOS prompt is displayed. B. Internal commands are reserved for DOS-level programming. C. Internal commands can only be executed from a batch file. D. Internal commands are stored on disk separately from command.cum. The correct answer is internal commands can be run whenever the DOS prompt is displayed. Match the device driver HIMEM.SYS to its operation. A. Supports ANSI terminal emulation. B. Manages the use of extended memory. C. Uses expanded memory on an 80386 processor. D. Supports code page switching. The correct answer is manages the use of extended memory. What command can you add to the autoexec.bat file so that your computer temporarily stops in the execution of the file before continuing? A. Pause. B. Halt. C. Wait x.xx seconds. D. Wait until files x. The correct answer is pause. While working with MS-DOS, which command is used to sort the file in ascending order? A. Sort file name. B. Sort file name. C. Sort file name. D. Sort file name. The correct answer is sort file name. What is the order in which command.com searches for programs to execute? A. X.cum.bat. B. X.bat.cum. C. cum.x.bat. D. bat.cum.x. The correct answer is cum.x.bat. While working with MS-DOS, which command will you use to transfer a specific file from one disk to another? A. Copy. B. Disk copy. C. Time. D. Rename. The correct answer is copy. Which command is executed before the others when a computer is first turned on? A. Device cm386.x. B. Device HIMEM.SYS. C. Prompt PG. D. pat-c-dos. The correct answer is device HIMEM.SYS. Where do you load the CD Rom drivers? A. Autoexec.bat. B. Control panel drivers. C. Into upper memory. D. Config.sys. The correct answer is Config.sys. Which best describes a fragmented hard drive? Other platters are bad. B. Data files are corrupted. C. Clusters of data are damaged. D. Files are not stored in consecutive clusters. The correct answer is files are not stored in consecutive clusters. Which of the following represents a correct sequence for the boot process on a DOS machine? A. Autoexec.bat config.sys. B. Config.sys autoexec.bat. C. Autoexec.bat command.com. D. Config.bat autoexec.bat. The correct answer is Config.sys autoexec.bat. When you create a subdirectory within a directory, the process is known as A. Directing. B. Making. C. Backing. D. Nesting. The correct answer is nesting. The copy command of MS-DOS is used to A. Copying files from one floppy disk to another floppy disk. B. Copying one or more files on the same disk or directory. C. Copying two or more files into a single file. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following file name extensions suggests that the file is a backup copy of another file? A. Buck. B. Bus. C. cum. D. txt. The correct answer is Buck. While working with MS-DOS, which command is used to compare the disk in drive A with the disk in drive B, specifying to compare only first side of each disk and only the first 8 sectors of each track? A. Disk copy AB8. B. Disk comp ABL8. C. Disk comp AB8. D. Disk comp ABL. The correct answer is Disk comp ABL8. While working with MS-DOS, which command will you use to display the version? A. Date command. B. ver command. C. Disk command. D. Format command. The correct answer is ver command. What type of commands are individual programs kept as separate files on the hard disk DOS diskette? A. External. B. Internal. C. Change. D. File. The correct answer is external. In DOS, what key would you press to step through the Config.sys and Autoexec.bat? A. F1. B. F3. C. F5. D. F8. The correct answer is F8. Which command is used to delete the directory and all its contents in one step? A. del. B. rd. C. deltre. D. cd. The correct answer is deltre. Which internal DOS command clears the screen and places the DOS prompt in the upper left corner of the screen? A. cls. B. close. C. quit. D. exit. The correct answer is cls. After searching the current directory, where does command.com search next? A. C. DOS utilities. B. Config.sys. C. Autoexec.bat. D. The path statement. The correct answer is the path statement. To view any currently running Terminate Stay Resident TSRs programs, you could type A. Memory. B. MEM. C. sysm. D. MakeMaker. The correct answer is MEM.